Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna cook a brownie with brownie mix. Alright, the first step is to make your oven 325 Fahrenheit. Alright, 325. And then you press start. The next step is to pour 1/4 of vegetable oil, 1/4 of water, and then 1 egg. The next step is to use a hand beater and beat until it's fluffy. We mixed it until it's fully mixed, and now it should look like this. Now after you're done mixing, add a brownie mix and fudge. So now you have to stir it and blend it well. This is a lot to blend in. When it's blended, it should look like this. So now you grease the tray and you pour the brownie mix into the tray. Now, once you put the brownie mix in the tray, you should put it in the oven for 44 minutes. I'll see you when the 44 minutes is done. Now I took my apron off and now I'm gonna try it. So it came like this. Alright, now I'll put it in my teeth. It's so yummy. It tastes like chocolate. I'm busy eating, but I'll come to you later. See you next time. Shing.